ఏపీ జ్యుడిషియల్ అకాడమీతో పాటు ట్రైనీ జ్యుడిషియల్ ఆఫీసర్స్కు ఓరియంటేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ను సుప్రీంకోర్టు చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ CJI Chandrachud ప్రారంభించారు. హైకోర్టు డిజిటైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్ కోసం డిజిటైజేషన్ సెంటర్కు శంకుస్థాపన చేశారు. ఏపీ హైకోర్టు వార్షిక నివేదికను CJI విడుదల చేయనున్నారు.
Judicial Academy is located at Mangalgiri of Guntur district. The building consists of 6 floors. There are a total of 33 rooms which
I wonder if we can mark 75 years of independence by turning the justice clocks 10 years ahead, at least in a majority of the coast establishments of our country by Independence Day in 2023. I understand that this task is not easy, as it may seem initially. Many of the cases which remain pending for such a long time are due to the reasons beyond the control of the judiciary. For instance, if you were really to look at the oldest criminal case filed in the criminal system in Andhra Pradesh, it is not the one registered in the courts in Anantapur in 1978, but the oldest criminal case is one which emanates from an FIR filed 6 years earlier in East Godavari district in 1972. However, it was registered and came before the court almost 35 years later in 2006. This may have been, as we all know, due to a delayed investigation or due to other reasons beyond the control of the court. So the reasons for delay are not always attributable to judges, and that is what we need to understand and portray across society. Across the country, according to the NJDG data, almost 14 lakh cases have been delayed as some kind of record or document is being awaited, which is beyond the control of the court. Similarly, across the country, 63 lakh plus cases have been considered to be delayed as per the NJDG data due to the non-availability of counsel. We really need the support of the bar to ensure that our courts are functioning at optimum capacity. I must also note that our current data, which records reasons for delay, is based from inputs from the courts. So it is possible that the number of cases which are delayed due to these reasons is much higher or maybe much lower, as we have not received full data from all courts. I also urge all of you to submit the data timely, as it allows for the judiciary as an institution to be more transparent with the public on the actual reasons for the delay in the disposal of cases. While speaking in the state which has a history of legendary lawyers pursuing the cause of civil rights, I would be remiss if I did not share a few thoughts on one of the most potent criticisms that has been leveled against the judiciary: its track record in upholding the constitutional principles of liberty. The often cited rule, bail but not jail, is one of the most fundamental rules of the criminal justice system. Yet in practice, the number of under trials languishing in prisons in India reflects a paradoxical situation. Deprivation of liberty, even for a single day, is a day too many. The judiciary's commitment to the constitutional promise of personal liberty has to be bolstered in 2 significant ways. First, by addressing the quantitative delay in disposing of criminal matters, particularly bail petitions. And second, improving the quality of justice that is dispensed by our courts.